You're not really.
Why not? I didn't get asked to.
Don't let them make decisions.
Push up!
Put her offside.
Give her a target! He's flying for his footwork. Very good. Look at the ball, though. Look at the ball. Vaya ball in the flesh.
First to the ball, Caliente. First two.
Good work, Tara. Stay on, Soph. Jessica, cuidado. Yes, go! Go! Support her, go! Support her!
Who's up with her?
Push up, Caliente! Yes, I know. Stay loose, ladies. Come on. Buck it up, buck it up. First to that ball. Caliente ball. Chelsea, get back, Chelsea. Good go. Good, we're pushing him down the field. Okay, get up there, hold him up there, ladies. Hold him up there. Look up. Yes, yes.
Unlucky.
Good job, good job. Is it Sophie or Sophia?
Sophie.
Sophie. Don't want to call the right name.
I'm about you're gonna call her Sophie.
Okay, push to that ball, ladies. Grab a partner. En la banda, Josh. En la banda, esa es tuya. Yes. Jackie, on the other side, goal side.
Taking shots.
Partner.
Hail. Oof.
Where are you guys playing? At Longmont?
Please.
No, we played sorry.
Yeah, tuck in, Josh. El número 2.
I didn't see you drove past the summit, so it was only like 12.
They only played that was Friday night. I lost
Okay, come on, Caliente.
Nice one, Sam. First two, guys.
She needs a target, ladies.
Charles, let's go.
Go, Sophie.
Push through.
Yeah, stay on it.
One more outside.
Yeah,
Go,
Charles.
Charles, come on. You're stronger than that. Let's go.
Have it.
It's on. Come on, Charles. Let's go, Chelsea.
Yeah, Chelsea. Don't, just jockey.
shooting it up.
Go two.
Corner. Talk to her, Chelsea.
Oh, good ball.
Come on, Soph, make a run. Stay with it.
Pressure. Come on, Caliente. You're flat. Your guys are flat. Let's go.
No. Yes.
Go, Sophie.
D. Yes. Correct.
Muscle in there.
Talk to her.
Hand drop.
There you go.
Yes, Jackie. You got it. You got it, Jackie. sorry. Yes.
For who?
Let's go, Skylar. Let's go.
Pursue, pursue.
Passes, lady. Everything in the middle, please. In the middle.
Yes, Tyler, keep going. Muscle, muscle,
Yes,
yes.
It's on. Just keep it. Keep it. Good.
They're getting warmed up now.
Good. Just keep it.
You don't want to burn yourself away. Work up, work up.
Well done, Virgo.
Defensive mid.
Yes, Megan.
Yes, Megan. They're playing with each other. Just kick it. Refs up. Tighter D, ladies. Stay with it, Colette.
Good job, Sam. Yes, Sam.
Sir.
I'm like, that looks familiar.
Go, Zach, go. Randy,
There's two.
got a stunt double for you. Where did it go?
Good job, Virgo. Fuera, fuera.
Good job, Grace.
Yeah, Grace.
Good job, Jess. Yeah, right? You slip. So as soon as you walk into it. Yeah, yeah.
Go, Kyla, go. Yes, girl.
Keep going.
Go, Carla. Chase, Carla, that's you. Yes, yes, hold. Switch.
Gotta move now. Let's go. Yes, Grace.
Go.
Get in there, Natalie. Get in there.
Betsy, what are you doing here? Hey, how are
Good
you?
job, Grace.
Heard you're playing. Are you playing?
Yeah?
Nice. Yeah.
Let's go. I didn't realize you're on this team. That's sick.
Sid is in this division too.
Work up, work up.
Yeah, I saw her the other day. Is she playing in the tournament too? I don't think both of them are in the tournament. But yeah,
to her. Two on one. Get back, get back.
Sophie, ready? Okay, let's go.
Go, go, go. Yes, sir. Jackie, Jackie.
Ball boy! Ball boy!
You got it.
Play that ball! Play that ball!
Good run.
Drop the left. No shot. No shot.
Boom, shot. Good shot.
Beautiful, come on. All night. In the middle.
Refs up. Refs up. That. Hey.
Good job, Natalie.
Hold the line. Go. Come on, turn the face, ladies.
You don't buy that at a store.
Yes,
I know.
Not too long.
I did that and I like greened out. No, never again. And I was like, I don't know, it's something like there's fentanyl. And she's like, oh, it's like from a store.
Good.
So funny. I did not hear that.
Let's not try to outrun them. It'll be a long night. Let's try to pass around them. I'm talking to my bench mates, please. Come on, Caliente! Yes, go on! Let's go, Skylar! Good job, Tyra! Bueno, córrela. Push up, yeah, push up.
Nice.
Yes, Sophie. You got it, Sophie.
Ball beater.
Sometimes she just needs to learn. Push it, Colette, push it!
I felt bad for that. You have a sweater? Should I just put on
En medio, Sam, en medio. Este es tuyo, Sam. Yes.
No. She's just standing there.
Yeah, there you go, dude.
Move around, guys.
Este es tuyo, Sam. Get back, get back.
Mark!
What's that? Turn the face. Son.
Hey, good idea.
Walk him out, Jackie, walk him out.
Good. Touch forward, touch forward.
Where's the middle? Megan, right there, yeah.
Good
Yes,
job.
yes,
Colette! Yes,
Colette!
Good job, Colette!
Yes, Colette.
Good job, Colette!
You gotta run there, Jackie. It's yours, Jackie.
Yes, sir! You guys face!
Nice ball.
Control, turn. Look at it.
Thank you. Leave it, leave it.
See on this side?
She's taking the throwing. You got Colette right there. You got Colette right there. Right back. See? They're going to go for that run. Good job, Virgo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Morgan doesn't like to play in there. But your knowledge, how's it doing those picks, those Marines stuff?
Colette's right?
You're going down, right? You gotta stop this giving go.
Yeah, no, I'm like, all right, let's go home.
Come on, Caliente!
Take it, Soph. Take it.
Nice try, Sol!
Good job!
Good job, good job!
Jackie. Colette. Take this. Colette. Take Jackie's spot.
Kyra, shoot! Shoot!
I feel very old right now playing with these little kids.
You're doing great, Jack. You're doing great.
Sweep the leg up.
Yes, Megan!
People feel like death today out there. They know like was because he's even tired and other. Oh shit, so it's useless.
Yes, Morgan! How many did you
Beat
get?
it, Morgan!
Come on, come on!
Take that, Morgan!
Yes. Ira, this is yours. Straight back, just one of you. Top of the key.
Yes, sir!
Good.
Woo!
You have to be a while when we come back. Pick up somebody, not just run back. Caliente ball. Good job, Megan. What else does Cody play? So she can play with the women's watch. She makes the whole shot. I thought she's in the middle. Hurry up, check it out, check it out. Yes, good job, good job.
Morgan, you need to be out here more. Too far in.
Yes, Megan. Walk it out, walk it out, Caliente, walk it out.
I haven't seen her run since last year.
Yes, Morgan.
You're gonna get... Yes! Hands
That's off.
Yes, Sophie!
Yes, Sophie.
Good job, Grace.
Good job, Megan!
Yes, Megan.
Control.
De regreso. Move around, forward. Move around. Get back, get back.
Hey, got Jason. Hey.
And push Corey. He's defensive mid. Hayden, hold on. You're doing great. All yours. Gotta be first in our ball, ladies.
Good job, Bingo.
Nice nut.
Nice now.
Come on, Tyra.
You got it, Tyra.
Oh my god.
Have some?
Nothing on that.
No, but I don't know what.
Corey, take good where Laura was.
Megan, Corey's your new partner. So keep track of her.
Yeah.
Tyra, Tyra!
Good try, Nat.
Time to turn. You have time to turn.
Stayed up with bench after that. We need to go watch the subsets. That happens every day.
Yes, go left.
Stay on us. Stay on us.
The pressure, Grace.
Feet in. Get your feet in.
Good job, Colette.
Just on net, Alabama, just on net. Lob it in there, too.
Yourself back, Virgo.
Block the middle. Shake it off. Stay on it, Corey.
Ducky. Yes, Grace!
Move up, Corey, move up.
Oh, no te dejes, Grace. No te dejes. Good job, Grace.
On the ground. Is that a throw in or a... Hey. Tyra. I want to put your Tyra, okay? Big ball, big ball.
Good job, Patty.
Oh.
Yes, Corey.
You got space there, Ed. You got space.
Good Sam, Sam.
Who's number?
Go for it. Go for it. You got it.
Who's the striker? Good job, Sam.
Come on, baby.
Get
Go
it.
it.
Very good.
She's taking that shot.
Yes, Johnson.
Easy, Yeah, now that you said it's quiet. You good? Okay. D. That was my D just went on. Oh, that's okay.
Good job, Tyra.
They're not giving you any wood out there.
None.
They're like running the left one.
I know.
Do you know this girls?
No,
That's
that
what
makes
they're
a
doing with
big
you, though.
sandwich.
Come on, Caliente!
Come on.
Come, get in there. Morgan, touch in there. Bang it off. Target!
I was just say tatted up.
Yeah! Go. Yes, come on. Nice. Good job, Grace. Chelsea, it's yours, Chelsea.
What? Pick center. Sam. Yeah.
What's going on out there? Good try.
Every time I run, it's tight and then it's like hard to breathe. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, I did.
Muscle it up. Yeah.